how to use the subdomain of the FastPanel. From click the shortcut, you can click the subdomain, and the subdomain, there is no subdomain, so add the subdomain like Imran, and my subdomain is under here, and click save. The subdomain is added. So when you click the subdomain, that is showing this is my subdomain. This is my subdomain. You can edit, you can delete, you can everything. So I can I no need to this website, so I can delete this. So just delete button and click here, delete, done. Thank you.